Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Let's have a heart-to-heart chat about your English. I'm going to make a bold claim today. You aren't speaking enough English. I know that hurts to hear, but we've all been there. We spend months, even years, staring at grammar charts and vocabulary lists. But here's the cold, hard truth. Learning a language is 10% looking at books and 90% actually opening your mouth. I get it though. Speaking is scary. Maybe you're terrified of making a mistake and looking silly. Maybe a private tutor is way too expensive, or your schedule is just too crazy to book a lesson. Well, guess what? Those excuses end today. I'm going to show you how to turn ChatGPT or Gemini, apps that are already sitting right there on your phone, into your own personal 24/7 English coach. We're moving past the lecture and getting into the doing. I've designed 4 simple, high-energy study plans specifically for beginners. These aren't complicated, they're fun, they're fast, and they're going to turn you into a brave, confident speaker starting right now. 1. The Picture This Storyteller. As a beginner, you don't need to discuss philosophy. You just need to describe the world around you. This is the best way to build your everyday vocabulary. The plan: look around your room or out the window. Open the ChatGPT or Gemini app and tap the voice mode, the little headphones or waveform icon. Tell the AI, I am a beginner. I want to describe my living room to you. Please listen to me. If I say a word wrong, please help me. After I finish, ask me one simple question like, what color is your sofa? This is low pressure and fun. You're practicing object plus color, and there are, in a real conversation. 2. The daily routine check-in. The most important English you can learn is the English of your own life. What did you do today? What are you eating? The plan: every evening, spend 5 minutes talking to Gemini about your day. Use this prompt: let's practice simple English. I will tell you 3 things I did today. Please check my past tense verbs. For example, I go to work should be I went to work. Correct me gently. This builds your muscle memory for the most common verbs we use every single day. 3. The shopping trip role play. One of the scariest things for a beginner is talking to a stranger in a shop or a restaurant. Let's practice that safely at home. The plan: use the AI as a friendly shop assistant. Open ChatGPT voice and say, I want to practice ordering food. You are a waiter at a cafe. I am the customer. Let's start. Say hello and ask me what I want to drink. If you don't know a word, you can stop and ask, how do I ask for the bill? The AI will tell you, and then you can try saying it immediately. It's like a rehearsal for real life. 4. The Word of the Day Challenge. Sometimes you have a list of new words, but you don't know how to use them. Let's change that. The plan: pick 3 new words you learned today, like weather, busy, or delicious. Open the AI app and say, I have 3 new words: happy, hungry, and travel. Please use them in a very short, simple story. Then, ask me to repeat the story back to you. This helps you hear the words in a natural sentence and then forces you to pronounce them yourself. Why this is perfect for beginners: 1. No embarrassment. The AI never gets tired or laughs at your accent. 2. Slow down. You can tell the AI, please speak more slowly, and it will. 3. Translate on the go. If you get stuck, you can say a word in your native language and the AI will give you the English version instantly. Your 30-day challenge. I want you to try this for just 5 minutes a day for the next month. Use the voice mode on ChatGPT or Gemini while you're making breakfast or driving to work. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. You've totally got this. Catch you in the next one.